Bonjour students, today we are going to start with a new chapter. The name of the chapter is La Rentrée. So we are starting with lesson 1, La Rentrée. Rentrée means to come back or the return. So this chapter is about the return of students from their vacations, from their summer vacations. So to start, first of all, to start with the chapter, you all have to open your main books on page number 13. That is page numero 3. And here in the picture given, we can clearly see that this is the school and the students have reunited after their vacations and now they are having a little chat. So let's start with the chapter, and you have to underline every new word or every important word and write their meaning above them. And here are the new words for it, so that it is easier for you to understand, and you have to copy them in your French notebook. So now we start with the chapter. Leçon 1, la rentrée. As I told you, rentrée means the return or coming back to school after vacations. C'est le premier jour de cours. It is the first day of class. Premier means first, jour means day, cours means class. So it is the first day of class. Les élèves rentrent à l'école après les vacances. The students return to the school after the vacations. Les élèves means the students. Rentre is a verb, that is rentrer, which means to return. Après, à l'école, après les vacances. L'école means school. We have already learned that in last class. École means school. Après means after. Les vacances means the vacations. So the students have returned to the school after the vacations. Anish et Manuel cherchent leur classe de français. So Anish and Manuel are searching. Cherche means chercher, which means to search. Leur means their. Classe de français. So Anish and Manuel are searching for their French class, the class of French. Ils rencontrent Caroline et Nathalie. Rencontrer is again an ER-ending verb, which means to meet. So they meet Caroline and Nathalie. So far it is the first day. C'est le premier jour de cours. Les élèves rentrent à l'école après les vacances. Anish et Manuel cherchent leur classe de français. Ils rencontrent Caroline et Nathalie. So it is the first day of school. The students have met after their vacations, and Anish and Manuel are searching for their French class, and they just met Caroline and Nathalie, and now they are given some dialogues. Anish: Salut les amis, ça va? Hello the friends, how are you? Caroline: Oui, ça va. Et les vacances? Yes, we're well. And the vacations means how were the vacations? Anish: En Inde, formidable. En Inde means India. So in India, formidable means wonderful or amazing. So Anish says that he spent the vacations in India and they were wonderful. Manuel: Nathalie, où sont ton portable et tes livres? So Manuel is asking Nathalie, où means where are your school bag and your books? Le cartable means the school bag, le livre means the book. So he is asking Nathalie where are her bag and her books. So Nathalie replies, Mais nous ne travaillons pas aujourd'hui. C'est le premier jour. Je vais à la papeterie ce soir. She says, but we don't have to work today. It is the first day, so and I am going to go to the stationery this evening. Mais means but. We have already done this. Travaillons is the verb, that is travailler. It means to work. Aujourd'hui means today. C'est le premier jour means it's the first day. Je vais à la papeterie. Papeterie means the stationery. Ce soir means this evening. So Nathalie says, but today we are not going to work because it is the first day and I am going to go to the stationery this evening. Caroline says, vous avez quel cours maintenant? So she's asking, which class do you have right now? You have which class right now? Maintenant means now. So she's asking, which class do you have right now? Anish says, français. J'adore le cours de français. Et vous? So Anish says he has French class. Français means French. J'adore le cours de français. Adorer is a verb which means to adore, to like very much. Et vous means and you. Caroline says math. Je n'aime pas les maths. She has mathematics and she doesn't like the mathematics. Manuel and Anish. Manuel et Anish, they say au revoir, à bientôt. Then the girls say à bientôt. So, this is it for the chapter. The chapter is finished. I hope you all understood well and the new words were of some help. Now we are going to do this exercise that is given on page numero 14. That is, dites vrai ou faux. Vrai means true, faux means false. So we'll do it right now. You have to do all the work in the book with the help of a pencil. Caroline et Anish sont dans la même classe. Means Caroline and Anish are in the same class. Même means same. Dans means in. So Caroline and Anish are in the same class. So is it true or is it false? It is faux. Because Anish says he has French class and Caroline has math class. So this is faux. Nathalie a des livres aujourd'hui. Natalie has the books, some books today. So it is also faux because she has not brought any books or her bag. Anish et Manuel cherchent quelque chose. So Anish and Manuel are searching something. Quelque chose means something. So faux. They are not searching, no, it is vrai because they are searching for their class, their French class. So it is vrai. La rentrée, c'est le premier jour de l'école après les vacances. So it is the return, it is the first day of the school after the vacations. So it is vrai. It is true because it is the rentrée and it is the first day of the students after their vacations. Now, cochez les bonnes réponses. This is your homework. You have to put cross mark on the correct answers in your book itself and you have to do it in your book. Question 3, that is répondez, you have to do them in your notebook. You will be given the answers in the PPT and your main homework for today is you have to conjugate all the ER ending verbs that we have done here. Rentrer, that is to return, it is an ER ending verb. Chercher, again ER ending verb. Travailler, again ER ending verb. And adorer, that is A-D-O-R-E-R. It is your homework too. It means to adore or to like. So this is your homework for today. This is it for today. You have to revise what we have done so far and you have to do your homework in your notebooks and your books. Thank you. Bonne journée.